Tuesday, September 17, 2024. Focus. Are all apostles? Are all prophets? Are all teachers? Do all work miracles? I have always found working in teams tricky. It is so easy to clash with others who have different personalities and ways of working. But teamwork can also be a place where individual strengths combine to achieve an outcome that is greater than the sum of its parts. Today's first reading is a wonderful reminder that each of us is unique. Each one has a special set of gifts. Reflecting on this, I realize that I do not contribute enough to spiritual teamwork. When we think of our unique set of abilities as gifts to be used to their full potential, it changes our outlook towards life itself. It is easy to just go through the motions of life and be consumed by the daily grind. It is also easy to have utilize our gifts rather than strive for higher things. Till when must we keep using our gifts? My mother's attitude to life after her cancer diagnosis gave me an answer to this question. Rather than being overcome with self-pity or even using the illness as a reason to discontinue her regular activities, she continued serving the Lord in the specific ways that she had been doing for years. She will probably keep using her many talents till her last breath. Fruit. What are my unique gifts? How can I better utilize them for Christ's body, the church?